How can delivery delays be decreased using WooCommerce Address Validation? Common causes of delivery delays: incorrect address entry, incomplete addresses, non-standardized formatting, carrier issues, last-mile delivery failures. Let's see how to overcome this dilemma with ELEX WooCommerce Address Validation in Google Address Autocomplete plugin. Go to Plugin and click on Add Plugins. Then, click on Upload Plugin. Click on Choose File and download the zip file to your WooCommerce site. Once done, click on Install Now. In the next window, click on Activate Plugin. You will be then taken to the list of installed plugins. Find the plugin, and then click on Settings beneath it. In the Settings window, click on API Credentials. In the API Credentials, we are choosing EasyPost and UPS. Enter the credentials and then click on Save Changes. Next, click on Address Autocomplete tab. Under Address Autocomplete, you have three options: None, Google, and Address Finder, Australia. We are choosing Google here. You can either add a dedicated field or set it to autofill on the Street 1 tab. Next, you can enable the Address Autocomplete to show up on the checkout page and on the backend order page. You can also restrict the autocomplete option in address line 2 and make the address fields editable. Add the Google API key. Once you've done all that, click on Save Changes. Next, click on Address Validation. Here, you can choose to confirm before validation. The confirmation can be done as a pop-up window or a checkout page message. For a pop-up window, you can set up the CSS. Once you're finished, click on Save Changes. Now, let's move on to the checkout window. You'll see that we have a dedicated field for autocomplete. You can just start entering your details, and it will give you suggestions. Click on your choice, and the rest of the fields auto-fills. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to our channel.